Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can copy your work item or task from one of your projects in the Plane project management application to another project. So let us dive into this. All right, guys, so head over to Workspace on Plane. After that, navigate to your project here on the left panel, select work items and select your preferred layout view, like a board view, for example. And this is how it works, guys. You will need to click into the given tasks, three dots in the top right corner here in your overview. Click into make a copy and select copy in different project. Of course, if you'd like to create a copy of the same task within the same project, you can do that as well and simply copy it, save it, and that is going to create the second or basically the same work item. So if you'd like to copy it to another project, let's say here in your list on the left hand side, again, click into these three dots, select make a copy and select copy in different project. And after that, click into that drop down menu and select your project here from the left hand side, confirm by clicking into done. And now your work item has been copied successfully to your other project. So let us confirm this. And as you can see, let me just find it. There it is here in the backlog. So has been successfully moved also or copied into that project so that you may now use it here and move it along your to-do list, guys. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.